Do it.
This court look good as fuck.
On me. It look good. Hell, what the fuck? This nigga doing?
We good. No, we not.
Damn.
It bit feels smooth too.
Okay.
I feel like I gotta look some bad skills. Damn, let me blow my phone up to hoop.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Ooh, he got me ball watching. Still in that bit next time. Shot.
Ooh. One more. That shit always look uglier. This is funny. I gotta get over it.
Hell big.
But niggas in my face, but cold.
Wow.
What the fuck, bro? Hey, that is some.
Y'all ain't jump at that, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I ain't going to nobody's stage, cuz.
We good, nigga. Get one stop. Fuck.
Been
All
getting
that
them.
crying and shit.
Watch that back door.
Yeah, you good.
It is.
You good. That is some boys. Yeah, that was
2 stars now, shit. 3 stars now, shit.
Yeah, bro.
Hit me.
Shot at my bad.
I got an excellent.
Oh, what?
What did you say? Oh, what the fuck type shit, bro?
But these niggas got they bad, but they was hooping for no.
Man, them weak ass badges, these niggas dog
They
shit.
suck. They win this shit, bro.
They finna fuck up. There you go.
Shit easy. All the way. Shot.
Shot real nigga. 9-11 ain't it? Go out, go out, go out, go out.
Stay. Oh, no fucking way.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Shot.
Shot. Come on. 2K really gave them the ball.
Oh, Bryson,
Gamble, dog.
come on, man.
You know you ain't good at that shit.
Come on, bro.
I'm lagging.
I just skipped too. I really thought I was out of that bit. Like how I used to do it. I really needed that.
It's now delayed and shit, bro.
Good heat, come on.
I missed that bit.
That was the spot we needed.
You niggas really ass as
Yeah, we
fuck.
really could win this shit, honestly. They dog shit. Good shot. Come on. I gotta start. I gotta start.
Finna get bumped.
I'm back.
Stay.
I'm behind him. Get her.
Give me that shit, nigga.
Dog shit, nigga.
Wait, don't do nothing dumb.
Fuck, nigga.
I'm letting that ain't dumb, bitch.
Quick slip. Fuck wrong with these niggas. Yeah.
Damn, so really we're not playing Call of Duty this year.
I still been playing
What
that.
is Bryson doing?
Wasting money. Nah, I go. How many games have we really wasted money on?
Mm-hmm. There you go, bro.
Truck.
Appreciate that little shit.
It's a center, so grab him.
I got two. I don't know who the ball had.
That's Bryson. That's Bryson.
Should have fought with me too.
Shit.
Good bucket, bro.
Oof.
Why they not giving that nigga the ball? Thank you.
Stay on your feet.
I'm trying to make sure he ain't got no 3-bit. Okay, let's bet that lad too.
Fuck. No, sir.
I'm back. For that. Man, what the fuck, bro?
3? It's crazy, yo.
Hall of Fame challenger for nothing. Shit don't work. But
Next time, definitely run out, dude.
that's a steal, bro. That's a steal. Oh my gosh. Come on, bitch. Fuck wrong with y'all sorry ass niggas, bro. I'm here, nigga. Man, fuck that, bro. That's me, y'all. Like, bro, that is bullshit, dog. Trying to go get a bucket. Turn that nigga is finna. Can he foul out or something? That nigga been fouling since the beginning of the game.
3 of them, bitch.
Playing full court dope team, man.
Give me the ball.
You?
Give me the ball.
Back door.
God.
Give me the ball.
Oh, nah, cuz.
What y'all doing?
I'm on that.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Of course.
Oh, you.
How the fuck he
No
still green in that shit? They had the
bro.
ball fucking.
Get left. Hey, bro, what the fuck is going on with you? Come on, bro.
baited the fuck. Oh shit. Shot.
Tie game 0-0. Come on.
Yeah.
Damn.
Good pass on. I seen it. I'm finna go to the corner.
Bryson, like, I know you see it. They is old, like, on deck.
They bouncing on your shit. I'm tripping, man.
Oh, damn.
So I reached too, cuz. I seen it. I seen it, dog.
You be doing the most.
Like, look at this shit.
Fuck it, pass, boy. Get that.
What is up with you and this spinning shit, dog?
Nah, how you losing there?
Hey, boy. Man, this nigga upstairs geeking. Shot. Okay.
Ain't no center is big than me on this shit. You got shit, nigga. No, I'm gonna pull that big quick slip.
Center on me. Get off now.
You got shit, nigga.
You fucking skip or something.
What the fuck is
damn.
you doing?
Okay, fuck.
I skipped, bro. I skipped, and so I just had to go through with it.
Skip your ass.
Why do we make that
Rinky-dink
dumbass
ass pass,
I have 83 pass act, bro. Like, what the fuck is this?
Oh, that shit.
Damn, what the fuck?
Say off ball and shit. Good fucking rebound, boy. Just fucked me in my ass. What the fuck are you doing, Tyler?
Contesting a 3.
It's a big ass center.
Mm-hmm.
Shot one.
Good shot.
My skill. Corner.
Never. Pass, boy. It's a real nigga still,
Oh, you
boy.
gotta fake pass that kick it out next time, bro.
You gotta fake these nuts in your mouth, bitch.
Damn, why didn't nigga set some hard? Oh, fuck. I didn't nigga set some hard ass screen, though. Right? Fuck.
Ooh, they center? Yeah, they do. I felt it. Bitch felt like a earthquake.
Yeah. Blitz incoming.
That's exactly what I reached too. That's crazy how that could be a shooting foul. the
This
fuck
dude
is this
shot that
dumbass?
kid.
Oh, that nigga so drunk. Help me, I'm on the screen, twin.
What's this nigga doing, bro?
I thought he was gonna fly past me,
Like,
bro. He did. I ain't get the bet. You good?
oh shit.
Nah, this nigga, bro.
That was my first. That shit was early as fuck. My bad, bro. Yeah, nigga trying
That
to be
is
like
a
me now.
puck, though, twin.
I know, bro. He ain't do it right, bro.
Oh,
What is
Hello?
like,
I
I'm
got
wrong.
a text, bro. I'm out of hearing that shit. Oh.
Shit.
Bro,
Oh.
I'm finna foul out that bitch. Five foul out in park or
Stick
six?
and winning it. Bro, stop fucking fouling.
I ain't gonna read.
Oh, damn.
How the fuck?
It wouldn't have been a three. Shut.
You need a fucking ball.
Board it. Like when I get him the brick though, got to get him bored. Good D, nigga.
He weird as fuck.
Shot, shut up. He ain't weird. Good fucking shot, nigga. He ain't weird. He a bitch, nigga. That's what you say. That's all me doing dumb
Oh.
shit. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me.
Fit foul, bro.
Shot. I got you. Play 3 high if you set screen, twin.
Alright. Blitz this nigga, bro.
Help me. Twin. Oh, that's 2.
Yeah. I'm finna end this shit.
Tyler got it.
Tyler, don't shoot that
Boy,
shit.
thank God you ain't shoot that, boy. Seen it in your face, bitch. Shot. Anytime. Shot little sluts.
You see him all.
I held my nigga to a 3, dog. I know you
Both
gonna
of them jump, baby. Good boy. One more.
I know I seen it
Too
before you
late.
seen it.
Appreciate you. Throw it. Bryson, you show man in the corner, by the way. I don't shoot like that.
That shit.
Oh my goodness. Break on that ball a bit. Shot the hole. I used to run Rivet back in my day too.
Ugh. Chill out.
Oh, damn, my bad.
Oh, you do the back door, just throw the lob, twin. Just throw the lob.
Nigga threw the back door late as fuck.
I was gonna say like, never mind. It ain't late, it's the mic.
Right, you did all that shit for a 2 game?
Bring me up. What you want me to do about it?
Nah, your ass started dribbling. Damn.
Screaming on your ass.
Who the fuck is my man, bro?
Figure it out, dog.
weird.
Yeah.
That,
Shoot that.
He gonna hit me, twin.
Bro.
Bro, stop calling the fucking back door, dog.
you keep listening.
Stop calling the back door. I'm right behind
He's
you.
lined up with me, bro. He's not, like, nothing's gonna happen, bro.
You keep listening to me, though.
Alright. That's all me, my dumb ass.
He didn't throw me that loot, though.
Bro, don't blame, bro. Don't, no. It's not, stop calling it damn back door. You not gonna manipulate.
I need to shave my face, bro.
Stop calling it damn back door, bro. I don't know what the fuck.
Shut
That
up.
shit funny, bro. That nigga told you to stop doing what you asking him to do.
My lock is fucking on fentanyl right now. He is
I be
tripping.
on fit when, like, niggas don't have a ball handler, dog. That shit be killing me.
Nigga, push the peak, my nigga.
See, when I'm on that ball, though.
Thank you.
Damn, I down there. My head hit the top of the bat, boy.
Oh, fuck, it did not.
It's a B, it's a B. I got two. W salesman.
I'm scared, bro.
You scared?
Jump. I really didn't even. I thought they were gonna give me a no dip.
God
No,
damn.
but I guess not.
I think we just doing this shit to ourselves at a certain point.
You know what? There you go.
Aw, damn, that shit was
Now he just snatched that.
fuck. I can't depend on you for nothing. I should hit that shot though, that mean, bro. I ain't been able to practice it for real.
You worry about the wrong shit.
Whoever
Nigga
get it, bro, I
jump.
got him. Nah, stay there, stay there.
We good, just don't give up no three. I can die. Let me die. Take it too. Yeah.
Did it for a little bit. I'm not saying hit me automatically, but you can hit me for a no dip if I'm open bit.
It made me.
What the fuck?
Ooh, get that ball. Get that ball. Come to me. Ooh. Come back,
He
come back, come back. Yeah, you gotta set yourself up, cuz you just be running away fast as fuck and did shit. You got
I'm
him.
on that, I'm on that, I'm on that. At me.
Yeah. Ooh.
Trusted no dip.
Okay.
Never mind. Shot. I got it. I got it.
No three.
I got this nigga right here with the hood on, dog. This nigga with the hood on. This nigga with the hood on. I got this nigga with the hood on. I got this nigga with the hood on.
No three, Bryson.
Yeah,
Fucking rock, bitch. You don't want it. Hey, ball, bitch.
Okay, boo.
There's a fucking content creator.
Bro, I'm dead ass. Stop using that shit the fuck up, bro. Come back, I'll skip. I'm still skipping.
Oh my goodness. So,
Oh, did my little shit come back.
Damn, bro. Don't run into me, bro. I can take the ball, though. Ball. Damn.
I got Balenciaga on. I'm opening
You shit
Balenciaga.
at me. It's not
Balenciaga Duffy.
You do. That's a good. I don't know what the fuck that was, dog.
0. Yo. Yo. Hello?
Here,
We didn't see that. Nobody saw that. Oh. See? See, bro. That be ain't shit,
lock
bro.
up, dog.
That be ain't
I don't
shit.
need no pep talk, dog. I'm here the whole time.
What the fuck?
It ain't me,
I'm
bro.
skipping, bro. It ain't, bro. Ain't me. Cause
I thought you were gonna stay down there.
He was too wide open, bro. I thought he was gonna pad that bit.
We don't got no chemistry, dog. We dog shit.
Oh my god, the fuck.
Oh my gosh, bro.
showing ass,
Yeah, we
bro.
good.
Don't skip him, bro. Cut.
You nigga keep jumping, dog. This is the freest shit. Like,
Bro, skip that motherfucker. You just twirling around the motherfucking circle,
you
man.
board that yourself.
You hear me? Come back, boy. Oh, I'm fucking skipping so damn bad. This shit is bad. Oh, damn, no. Skipping, bro.
Fix that shit.
I don't know how to fix me skipping. It's not like an idiot.
Hey, when you hit different, like, hold on.
Good shot.
Shot. And when you hit like different, like, pro difficulty levels, like on your skill level, do it go down more when you lose, when you higher?
I have no idea.
No, I don't think so.
Hell no, I'm doing that shit. Yeah, fuck, boy.
Oh, still.
Oh. Oh, that's some gay shit. Like, bro, go on. Hey, Pop, I'm dunking. I'm not shooting.
No trust, no trust, no trust, no trust. You not stay woke over there, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna
Bless your ass.
I'm fucking. Oh, this nigga's trying to say all ball and shit.
Stay disciplined, Zay. Stay disciplined. Give me that shit.
Oh, this shit. Wait.
Going too much.
Fuck that.
Okay.
Fuck.
I know who I am, nigga. What you talking about?
What the fuck does that mean? Finna hurt these boy dream. Still a nigga. Fall with me. 23. Trevor.
Alright, nigga.
Pretty. I got ball. I got ball again. They ain't ready.
Oh shit. I ain't got no stamina. Yeah.
I think bars you down the toilet see a bit.
Oh damn, my controller not plugged up.
Oh, that drunk. That's our street.
Yeah, I got it.
They ain't even give me no deal. Good boy, boy.
Oh damn, I should have ooped it.
Oh.
Am I passing the ball too much, or was y'all not? Would y'all niggas not just trying to shoot that bit?
Pass the ball.
What you mean pass the ball? I did. Y'all niggas just wasn't doing shit. Oh, like that's what I'm saying. Like that's what I'm talking about, though. Like, but that's what I'm talking about, though, man.
These niggas is dog shit.
Like, these niggas ain't like a power push, girl.
Yeah, these niggas bright as fuck, son. Can you get a fucking rebound? I'll do it, bitch. Don't worry about it.
I was gonna get that shit anyway.
Wait.
Fuck. I need to
Alright. Fuck my damn controller up, man. I don't do it too much. Chill. Never mind, bro. My shit gonna go.
It's too big ass niggas down
So you really fit right in with him.
Nah, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Playing dodo ball, bro. These niggas. Fucking suck, dude. Oh my god.
Like, we just giving us threes, bro. See, y'all niggas
Tyler
just
is
like
laughing.
Jordan, bro.
What the fuck you got going on?
Because y'all niggas be trolling, bro. What do you mean? Y'all niggas don't shoot the ball.
What you mean?
That person.
But y'all niggas be ready.
Ooh, man.
That's your...
Can't guard both big dog. Yeah, weird fucking gang. What's happening?
Oh god, niggas. God, thank God I didn't steal that beat.
You nigga 3 for 10, bitch.
We finna lose that anyway.
Crazy.
I'm fucking.
Oh, fuck.
2K, what the hell y'all got going on with this, dog?
Cause why the fuck do them pieces even have to be here on the court, dog?
The fuck? Oh, okay, it worked.
I'm stuck.
Oh, nah, that might nigga stuck. No. You okay.
What the fuck? You could've stayed your ass out of bounds. Twin on life, dog. Y'all niggas dog shit, bro.
Oh, y'all niggas not serious, bro. Oh shit, no,
Bad pass. Slow ass pass.
y'all niggas are not serious, gang. Y'all niggas not serious.
Got a deep bomber right up.
Oh damn.
Twin, it don't matter, bro. Nigga not good, dog.
Get that bet.
These niggas just wanna see a nigga lose or something. Can y'all put the ball in the basket? It don't gotta be a 3, dog.
Like, that's all, bro.
Thank you.
Gotta make plays, bro.
Garbage ass fucking niggas.
Gotta make plays, you feel me? Yeah. That shit, bitch.
Good boy, lie me. Bad little bitch.
God, I was not serious. Good.